Stop complaining about kids not reading these days. They do. Hi, this is Mihnea. I hear this all the time. Oh, when I was young, I used to read a lot of books. Look at these kids today. All they can do is stare at that screen and play games. Well, times have changed. We keep saying that, children don't read these days. I used to read a lot when I was young. Yes, I used to read a lot when I was young. There are two reasons why I read a lot. Actually, there are three reasons, but the third one is not that good. Number one, for entertainment. Number two, for knowledge. And number three, because my teacher said so and I was made to read that book. But how about kids these days? They want to gain more knowledge? Where knowledge is everywhere. It's not in books anymore. It's not in printed books anymore. It's not in dictionaries and encyclopedias anymore. You want to find out how to, bake a cake? You go on YouTube and they'll tell you how to bake a cake. You want to find out how to, build a robot? I'm pretty sure there are YouTube videos which teach you how to build a robot. So times have changed. You can't expect children to go in a dusty library to find a book about building robots, where they can find the information online. This is what adults, parents, teachers don't understand these days. That information, knowledge is not found in books only anymore. It's everywhere around us. It's in the cloud. It's on the internet. Why wouldn't children go there to find it? How about number two, entertainment? What did I do when I was young? Well, I grew up in a communist country. There was nothing else to do but two things. One, read books. Two, go out and play ball. So, before I was allowed to go out and play ball, I had to stay at home and do what? There was nothing on TV. We had an apartment full of books, so I ended up reading. How about kids these days? There's entertainment everywhere. And kids do read for entertainment. It's just not the kind of books that we used to read for entertainment. It's not Jules Verne, it's not science fiction books. They read their own things. They read their comic books, which is also a form of art. They read other kinds of books on the Kindle, on their screen, on the internet. They do read for information, for entertainment, to search for knowledge, to escape from whatever they want to escape from. But they don't do it the way we did. So what do? We judge them. Why do we judge them? Because we are narrow-minded. It's not them, the kids, who are narrow-minded. Actually, they're forward-thinking. We are narrow-minded because we look down on them and we keep blasting at them for not reading from these kind of books. This book here, you can find it in this gadget right here, which I'm holding in my hand. So, if you're a kid out there and someone tells you, when I was young I used to read a lot of books, tell them, well, times have changed. I do read, but my kind of books. Ciao, this is Mihnea.